I want to make these little fur ball critters. I just came up with the idea because it combines two different things that kids love. They love using the garlic press to squirt clay, and they love kitties and puppies and bunnies and animals such as that. So I'm going to show you how I go about making them. The kids love to use these garlic press for clay, as I told you. So what we do is we take clay, we stick it in the bucket, and we keep pushing clay through until we are satisfied. Quite truthfully, we're never satisfied. The kids want to just keep extruding clay again and again and again through the little garlic press. But I usually end up cutting them off and telling them they have to do something with it. So I'm going to let them make little critters out of it. So the way it works is we just ball up the clay that we've just extruded, and then you get to make whatever appendages you'd like. So here are little triangle ears for a kitty, little long narrow ears for a bunny rabbit, and floppy oval ears for a puppy. So I'm just going to do a bunny rabbit and show you. We roll it around first and then back and forth to elongate it. And I love to use my little cooking skewers to help embellish and create lines in my sculptures. Make another ear. Hopefully it's the same size. I'll check that in a second. And make that little imprint again. So there we go. We got little bunny ears. And we'll make little beady eyeballs. Rolling out little beads with the clay. I'm going to go ahead and score and slip. I'll use my little feather texture tool and dip it in the watered down clay to score and slip it, meaning scratch and wet. Scratching and wetting is how we attach pieces of clay. And put that together. And if you don't scratch and wet it, it's likely to fall off. Probably in the kiln when nobody's watching it. And nobody can do anything about it. So best is to score and slip to ensure that all of your pieces stay together. Go. And then you can either use a cooking skewer to put little pupils in, or I like to use a pen that isn't clipped because it's got that little opening and it shows little pupils. They're kind of googly eyes. But they're fun. They're whimsical, and the kids will like it when they're in clay class with me. Now I'm making a tiny triangular nose, and I'll score and slip that on as well. Put that in place. Okay. And if you want, you can even make tiny little whiskers. You can use the extruder to extrude some whiskers, or you can make little whiskers by rolling out little snakes. And again, score and slip those into place. Oh, that's going to be fun. Okay, that's looking cute. So we'll go ahead with that. Attach them on and let them curl a little bit. As I get older, I realize it's almost easier for the kids to do these projects because some of these projects have such tiny details and their little fingers can do it easier than I can. So I'll show them how to do it and they just whip through the project quite easily. How fun is that? Cute, cute. And then we can even put little round paws on the front if you choose. I just made these critters up, so it's not like there are any real rules. Scratch and wet it. Scratch and wet the paws. And put them on. And I'm going to put a cute little tail on the back as well. There. Oh, just so silly looking. But again, like I said, I think the kids will like it. Thanks for watching.